My name is Isaac Samodell. I'm from Ravenna, Ohio, and I major in aerospace engineering. I chose aerospace engineering as my major because I've been fascinated with all things air and space ever since I was a little kid. Planes and rockets have just been the coolest thing to me ever since I can remember. So this year I've been involved in the Kent State, what we call the e-heater lab, where we do thermal research on electric vertical takeoff and landing propulsion for drones and for advanced air mobility craft. When I first came in, I struggled a lot with math and some of the more intensive physics concepts, and the support from the faculty going to office hours and asking all sorts of questions. It was really great how they helped me overcome all of those boundaries that I had been struggling with and find a way to teach myself the sort of things that I had been a little bit slower to get. There's been a lot of career advice and things like that I've gotten certain faculty members. I sort of had chosen a specialty with propulsion research that I'd like to get into, and talking to a couple different faculty members, they sort of laid out a plan for how that could work for me and the things that I would need to do to get there. The advice that I would give to future students considering the College of Aeronautics and Engineering is to definitely come in with a positive attitude and an open mind. Try to network as much as possible. Everybody here is very welcoming, very knowledgeable on all of their specialized topics. It's really easy to make friends, really easy to forge relationships with people, and they can definitely help you get places.